Welcome back to our Introduction to Blender course. In this episode, we are going to introduce you to Blender user interface. When you open Blender, you will encounter a splash screen. You can open a new file based on what you're creating or open a recent file. To create something new, you can just press Generate or simply click on anywhere else on the screen. Blender UI can be divided into three main sections. The top bar, the area assembles the file menu you will find in any typical program. It also features the workspaces like layout, modeling, sculpting, UI editing, and so on. And the middle area, this is where you will do the mock or your 3D project. You will find the toolbar at the left side of the screen. It will contain visit editing tools like slashing, moving, rotation, and scale. And these tools are depend on the mode you are in right now. As you are in the object mode right now, when you go to the edit mode, you will find the tool that is related to editing 3D model. When you go to the sculpting mode, you will find the sculpting pressure. On the top right corner, you will find the outliner where everything you created in Blender will be listed. You can organize your creation using collection. Under the outliner, you will find the property tab. This is where you can change the property of your objects or 3D scene, like transformation and choosing rendering engines or where to see your files and file format or your rendering. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the animation timeline, frames, and playback control. In the later chapter, I will explain how you can customize your UI. For now, we will stick to the layout workspace. So I will see you in the next video.